boys and girls, today we're going to practice adding tens to help us add with our 2 digits. And we did this in our math lesson the other day. So when we look at our 2-digit number, we look at the ones place and see if we can find a 10 friend to add to make our adding a little bit easier. So if we looked at the first problem, 16 plus 4, we have 10 and 6, and then these two numbers equal 10. So then we just add the 10 and the 10. So let's look at the second problem. If I wanted to break this into 2 parts and make a 10 friend with 5, what would 5's 10 friend be? Yeah, it would be 5 plus 20. And so then if I added the 5 to that, I have 10 plus 20. That's much, much easier to add than having to do 5 plus 25. So 10 plus 20 is what? It's 30. Good. And I want you to make sure that you have all of these numbers written down before you go to the next one, so that we can make sure that we're following all of the steps. Okay. On the next problem, we have 20 plus 18. So how could I make 18 into a 10 friend problem? I'm going to add 10 plus 8, because then I can bring the 20 down and add 20 plus 10. And then 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 8 more is 38. Okay? 32 plus 7. We're just going to add this one, doing 2 plus 7, and then 30. So 30 plus 2 plus 7. So use your number lines and figure out what 2 plus 7 is. 2 plus 7 is 9, so 30 plus 9 equals 39. And like I said, you need to make sure that you have all of these numbers written down on your paper so that we can see that you're getting all of the steps. Okay. 29 plus 3. If I wanted to make this a 10 friend, what is 9's 10 friend? It's 1. So if I take 1 as one part of 3, the other part would be 2. So 29 plus 1 plus 2, that equals 30, because I'm going to put these two together, plus 2. So what is 30 plus 2? It's 32. Excellent. The next problem we don't have to break apart because 4 and 6 are 10 friends. So if I have 26 and I do 4 more, that makes a 10. So what would my 10 be? 30. Good, that was a pretty easy one. Okay, now let's do 9 plus 17. What is 7's 10 friend? 7's 10 friend is 3. So if I break this apart, the other part is 6. So 3 plus 17 equals what? 20 plus 6. What is that going to equal? 26. Okay. And we're on the last problem. We're going to break apart 9. What's 3's 10 friend? 7. So this makes 7 plus 2. And then if I have 23 plus 7, that is 30 plus 2. And what does that equal? 32. Excellent. So we have this side done. And this is the adding by tens. If we change it over to this side, we have our rocket math again. And super easy. These are plus 1s and 2s. It should not take you long at all. Use your strategies to finish this side and then turn it into your